Okay guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about All Memes Godfather. This is an amazing platform. You must have heard about All Memes Godfather, as this token is already trending on many of the social channels like YouTube, Twitter and other social sites. So you can simply start your journey in DeFi with 28 price appreciation with the help of All Memes Godfather. You can earn passive income with the help of All Memes Godfather. And here we are to the website of All Memes Godfather. I'll drop the link of their social channels and their website in my description, which you can use to access the project. I always drop the address of this token in my description, which you can use to purchase the token. But first we must be able to know more about All Memes Godfather. Meet the meme god, the divine power behind meme coins. I am the all memes godfather. Before me, I resign for all meme coin, past, present, and future. Here we have some their social channels like Telegram, Twitter, and their deck screener chart. So you can go through this. If you have any question, you can ask to the team by joining on their Telegram. If you have any question, you can ask them on Twitter, so you can join the Twitter as well, and you can join to the deck screener to be able to understand the all father of gold father easily. So here we have the social channels. It's better to join the social channels as well to understand the token briefly and easily. So here we have the details of the deck screener. We have the page of the deck screener as well. You can go through this. You can check out the pre-sale which is on the marketplace, which is 0.055003. You can check out the market cap, which is $5.0k, and you must have checked the details of this project on this, and then you will be able to check the details. So here we can see this, so you can see out, so then you can check the details of this token. So you can go through this details of this token. This is based on Solana network, so you can go through this. You can check the details, the recent transaction, everything is mentioned here, so you can see this. And here we have some details of the divine archive of memes, ruler of the infinite metaverse, and the details of the all memes godfather, the supreme ruler of the meme cosmos, where meme, bob, and legends rise, the divine keeper of internet culture. All memes godfather, the divine overseer of internet chaos, sipping wine, judging trends, and controlling the metaverse with a smile. So you can see this, the divine architect of memes, ruler of the infinite metaverse. Meme god is a fun. So you can check that they have all memes godfather, which is a supreme ruler, and you can see the meme cosmos. You can see the all memes godfather, the divine overseer of internet chaos, shipping wine, everything is mentioned here, so you can go through this. And here we can see that this is an amazing platform. You can purchase the platform. I recommend you to join the platform by yourself. We have also the social channels here, so you can go through this. You can check the marketplace of this token here. You can check the details of this token, and everything is mentioned here. So you can see this, that we have some more details of this token here. So you can go through this, and then you will be able to check the details of the token. You have to simply connect your wallet, and then you will be purchase a token easily of all memes godfather by this. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link of this token in my description, which you can use to access the project. I hope you like this video. Once again, I recommend you to join the token by yourself. This is an amazing platform. You can get great profit by joining this platform. I hope you like this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.